Switching gears, Lil Nas X, he came out with he had a collaboration with a shoe company with MSCHF, and they produced a new shoe called the Satan shoes, and they quickly sold out. They reported that they sold out within less than 1 minute of dropping. It was a limited quantity. They sold for about like $1,000, around $1,000 for the sneakers. And right now, apparently they were modified Nike shoes. And Nike's not happy about this because these shoes, according to the company, they were called, dubbed the Satan shoes. And they contain a drop of human blood drawn from MSCHF employees in every, shoe. A drop of human blood. And Nike was not a big fan of this. So Nike sues MSCHF over these controversial Satan shoes that contain human blood. So even though they said that they never approved of this. So these are, modified Nike shoes, modified Nike Air Max 97s. But even though, because they're using Nike shoes and they're customizing them for this collaboration with Lil Nas X, Nike was not happy, and they're suing. They're suing them. We don't know the specific details of it yet, but there were 666 pairs of shoes that were released in this collaboration with Lil Nas X, sold out in less than a minute. And there's been a lot of confusion about Nike's connection with this. A lot of people think, Nike is approved of this. These are Nike shoes. They must be done with Nike. But no, this really had nothing to do with Nike. They were just customized Nike shoes. And so with that being said, there's been a lot of confusion about what exactly is going on between Nike and this specific shoe. A lot of people came out and said, like Saint, which is a pretty popular shoe person, shoe influencer. They tweeted, Nike Air Max 97s contain 60cc ink, 1 drop of human blood, 666 pairs, sells for $1,018. So the first thing they said was Nike Air Max 97, and because of that, people think that this was done almost, as part of Nike. But no, Nike had nothing to do with this. They're not happy at all. They've been getting a lot of backlash because of it. So they are suing MSCHF. A lot of people are worried. Are they going to get their shoes? Are they not going to get the shoes? What's going to happen now? Because people already spent the money. People already spent $1,000 on it. So they want to know what is going to happen now. Are they going to get their money back? Are they still going to get the shoes? What is going to happen? But I'll keep you updated on the developments here. Either way, what we do know is that Nike is not happy at all, and they are suing MSCHF over these, Satan shoes. So